Hey everybody, it's Lindsay with Team Cocktail, and I am really excited about the cocktail I'm making for you guys today because it's one of my personal favorites. It makes me think of sitting on the patio with a bunch of friends where we're drinking well with others, and while we can't do that right now and we're drinking at home, but we're doing it virtually, I wanted to share with you my favorite, which is the Moscow Mule. So super easy, very refreshing. Make sure you have a copper mug. If you don't have a copper mug, a regular glass will work, but you just feel more fancy drinking out of the copper mug because that's what they're made for. So we're gonna put some ice. And then you want about 1.5 ounces of vodka, but we're not bartenders, so we don't need the jigger like they use at the bars. So just pour until you're happy with how much you pour. And that looks about good. So I use Tito's, that's my favorite vodka, but you're welcome to use whatever vodka you have in the house. And then ginger beer, second ingredient. So really there's 2 ingredients, vodka, ginger beer. Fever Tree is one of my favorite, but there's a ton of great ginger beers out there for you to try. And then just pour it till it's to the top. These work out good because they work exactly for the amount that you need. Then you need about 1/2 ounce of lime juice. So that's about 2 lime wedges worth of lime juice. And you squeeze that in. I'll throw the last one in for a little extra flavor. And you stir it up. This is one of my favorites. Cheers. Oh yes, super refreshing. So I hope you like it, and cheers from Team Cocktail. Okay, so since we're in quarantine, I feel like maybe we need a quarantine booster for this Moscow Mule that we just made. And thanks to our friends at Bubbly Side of Life, she came up with a really great idea. So we're gonna try it. I mean, everything's better with a little bubbly, right? So we're gonna add a little champagne to the top. I mean, you can't go wrong with a little bubbly. Cheers. Ooh, that's great. Enjoy.